Hello, my name is Mike Schell, and I'm an Associate Professor of Biology in the Department of Natural Sciences. It is my great privilege and with humble appreciation that I have the opportunity to speak briefly about undergraduate research and scholarship at the University of Virginia's College at Wise. In addition to academic coursework, research and scholarly activities are a cornerstone of the higher education experience for students at UVA Wise. These experiences allow students to move their education beyond the lecture, to provide working as a team, and to develop the technical and critical thinking skills they will use as they become professionals in society. Moreover, these projects exemplify the liberal arts tradition, often requiring students to apply interdisciplinary approaches to solve real-world problems. Whether it is a combination of cultural anthropology and physical chemistry in characterizing active compounds from traditional medicinal plants, or physics and visual aesthetics in building a set for a play, research and scholarly activities allow students to make physical connections among disciplines of human knowledge they may never knew existed. As a former student researcher at UVA Wise, I can personally attest that my experience as a student researcher profoundly impacted the course of my professional development. The mentorship and wisdom I received as a student researcher helped me provide focus and clarity to the lessons I learned in the classroom, and ultimately set me on a path to becoming a successful biomedical scientist. I am also happy to say that my undergraduate research projects were instrumental in my being hired into the first 2 professional jobs in science after completing my UVA Wise degree. One of the most gratifying aspects of the UVA Wise community is that any student is only a question away from embarking on one of these life-changing experiences. The diverse, highly trained faculty provide a personal gateway to usher students into the world of scholarly activity in any discipline and to mentor them on their journey of academic and self-discovery. Most importantly, many student researchers are supported financially through various scholarship and grant programs. These funds allow students to dedicate their full efforts to their scholarly pursuits and provide a means to publish and present their work in a variety of national and international venues. Without these financial mechanisms, many students may not be able to pursue their scholarly projects, and therefore we at UVA Wise are eternally grateful for the generosity of our partners. To our alumni and supporters out there pondering how you can make a difference, I encourage you to consider supporting scholarships at UVA Wise. Your investment today has the power to open the door to a whole set of new opportunities for a UVA Wise student.